can send your balloons effect in messages. So open up your messages, now type something, and before sending it, hold this arrow icon. Now choose your screen and find your balloon effect. That's how it's going to look. If you're satisfied, press send, and that's how the receiver and you will see this message. If you want to use your confetti effect on your messages, so type a message, now hold on this sending arrow, choose your screen, and find your confetti option. There it is. Now press send, and that's how our receiver and we will receive this message. If you open up your notes, press the share icon and choose your collaborator option, you can adjust who can access this note. So invited people with the link, you can make messages view only, you can share this note, and if you need, you can even lock it.